What?
No, Bronco.
No, brown cow what?
Chow chow.
Chow chow what?
Well.
Is it time for the brown cow to have chow chow?
No, don't eat the chow.
Well, what?
Don't eat.
What are you trying to tell me?
I'm trying to tell you not to eat the chow.
The chow? The chow? Chow?
The chow.
The food?
Yeah.
Don't.
Or the dog.
Dog chow?
No, the chow chow.
What's the chow chow?
There's a dog called chow chow.
A chihuahua?
No, a chow chow. It's big and it's furry and it's like a lion.
Like a flying?
Like a lion.
You said a flying.
No, I said a lion.
You said a flying.
And this was the action of, like, its mane. I guess it's also the action of flying.
I'm pretty sure you said it's a flying.
I didn't say it's a flying.
A flying.
It's a lion.
It's a flying.
So, you realize I'm going to be watching this video like this?
Yep. That's why I did it.
Don't do that to me.
I already did.
Don't. Babe.
Put my foot in your mouth.
Ah. Holy shit.
You're biting my toe.
Oh, I think I'm getting a goose egg.
Remember me
Oh. You remember me forever.
I punched it into you. I punched me into you. You never forget.
I'm gonna flick your nut.
Don't flick my nut. I won't hit you. I won't.
What'd you learn?
That if I'm gonna hit you, I gotta hit you really, really hard so you don't tickle me.
No.
No?
No.
And then
That's not what you learned.
not to hit you.
Good boyfriend.
Pay someone else to do it.
It hurts.
What? Why did I do that again?
I don't even remember.
No,
I think I'm already suffering from memory loss.
You don't remember anything anyways. Uh-oh.
I have to pee.